This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Avery Skiphollies. Welcome home to 7113 Nightshade Dining Room in Riverview, Florida, with a plethora of natural light. This home is only 9 years old with a new AC unit and handler installed August 2024. The roof was recently inspected with no findings. Located in a peaceful neighborhood and offers 2,220 square feet of thoughtfully designed open living space with a community pool and fitness center. This residence combines style with comfort and includes 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a formal dining room, and a 2-car garage. The home's stunning curb appeal welcomes you from the moment you arrive. Step through the foyer into an inviting living area, perfect for entertaining or cozy family gatherings. The family room, with sliding glass doors, leads to a covered lanai, creating an ideal spot to relax and enjoy the Florida weather. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances. The spacious owner's suite offers a custom walk-in closet and a luxurious primary bath with double sinks, a garden tub, and a large shower. Located within 10 minutes of major highways, the Selmon Expressway, Target, Publix, shopping, and numerous restaurants provide convenience and easy access to all essentials. Don't miss your chance to make this home yours. For more information,